her. I've never seen you look at me like that. It doesn't matter what I've heard. No one has to tell me twice. I can see it in your eyes. She's got everyone wrapped around her finger. Oh, the girl you want, I will never be her. I know I'm not the perfect lover, and I can tell you love her. I can tell you love her, love her. She feels like summer, gets along with your mother. So go ahead and love her, go ahead and love her, love her, love her. I'm not the perfect lover.
I'm an angel, tell me what you mean by that. I take it all and I will never give it back. I don't feel sorry every time I see you cry. Every time you start, I'm waiting for your tears to dry. I don't really care, and I never will. That's the way I am, such a
I would react badly to the slightest hint of hesitance. He'd been awkwardly to suit my mood, no word from his defense. I'd cry knowing how my tears felt like acid burning through his skin. Pushed every little button but the right one that would let me in. Now he's afraid of me. He's afraid of me. It took me by surprise, the hatred in his eyes. I've pushed this man as far as he could go, but he lacked the words to let me know. He acted out, now I can see it is my fault. I made changes that went unnoticed, sang songs for deaf ears. Mistook my silence for punishment as it had been all these years. I'd cry no